So we just got back from a 8 mile ride, and a lot of people ask me like, how do you keep your bikes so clean? So the stuff that I use. So if anyone ever details your car, you can use spray wax. You can use a lot of guys say don't use Armor All on your tires, but I do. As long as you just keep it on the sidewall, you actually don't get it on your tread, because it does make the tire slippery, and if you're going around a corner, chances are it may slip out on you. So remember that. A lot of people prefer not to clean their tires, you just wipe them off. But I'd usually just dry, never wet my bikes, just dry wipe. I believe the less contact it comes with water. The guy was just showing that he had a battery sitting, 72 volt, sitting in his frame, and he built a plastic box for it to sit in. So the battery sat in a box for a couple of months. He ended up getting a short. Here in the bottom corner of the box, it was holding water. It ended up leaking into the pack and ruined his 30 amp hour 72 volt battery. And I don't know if the company will warranty something like that, but never encase your battery into something unless it's totally waterproof. Because now if that water sits inside, chances are it's going to get to the cells. Just a heads up on that. But yeah, if you ever decide to clean your bike, you can hose it off outside lightly with a garden hose. But like I said, just a normal spray wax. You can use Windex, a degreaser, and just keep self-maintenance. It's like owning an automobile. You take care of it, and it will take care of you. Well, thank you for watching. We'll make this a quick one. And everyone take care, and thank you for watching. Till next time, have a good night.